in, baby. Makes it all possible.
Awesome,
having
man.
this
That's
outfit.
so cool.
Starting about 10 times.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Daytona. We made it. Cody is my Uber driver. He's taking us to the Cup Garage right now. Did I say the Cup Garage? That's the Cup Garage.
I don't know what that is. I've never heard of that a day in my life.
He's trolling me already. This guy's a professional troll. We've been playing a lot of Tarkov together, and now we're at the Daytona 500. It's been a year since we met. Scab spotted.
Scab spotted.
A year ago, we met, and we're back at it again. We're running it back. We're gonna go check out the Cup Garage. Carson just practiced. He's got qualifying in the morning, and it's gonna be a big weekend. This is round 2, Daytona 500. Carson!
No!
Woo!
Yeah, so I got out of the car after practice and he wasn't even supposed to be here. And he's here and I supposedly cool guyed him. It was an accident.
And now we're here, baby! Daytona round 2!
We're at Daytona International Super Speedway, aka the Daytona 500, aka...
Yeah, baby!
AKA the 51 Chevrolet, aka Rex is my Tarkov buddy.
How are you feeling about this weekend?
Yes. We're gonna go.
Yes! Here a year ago is where we met.
In the O'Reilly garage.
In the O'Reilly garage.
100 feet that way. This is it. And now here we are. We're best buds.
Yep,
We're
literally.
back at it again for another Daytona 500.
I'm excited. We're about to watch Carson. Carson's about to qualify, so we're gonna go watch Carson qualify. It's gonna be a busy day. He's got a race later. You have practice later, and then Cody races in the Daytona 500 tomorrow. This is gonna be a busy day with the wares, but it is Valentine's Day and it's our 1-year anniversary. And then Carson's right there.
Carson's right
Look, there he is. Look at him. Perfect. Speaking of which, he's getting ready. Carson, how you feeling?
I don't know how to feel. I mean, it's me and Rex's anniversary today.
Bring it in, baby. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day.
We're feeling good, baby. It's Daytona qualifying. We got the race later at 5. My boys are here.
Let's go. It's gonna be a big day. It's just crazy what it all turned into. Like literally when I met you guys for the first time last year, I met Carson within like 10 minutes. He was letting me meet Jimmy Johnson. It was the craziest thing. We made history last year together, and
We speed ran a primary on a couple car after meeting.
Just insane memories, and we're back year 2 to make some more. For today's race, I wanted to support.
Oh my gosh!
I wanted to
check
support
it
Rick
out.
out here today. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can see
I love it. Yes, sir.
We got the Tricky
Check
Ricky.
it out. I love it.
We got Tricky Ricky out here today, looking good. This is the man that makes it all
That's
possible.
awesome,
having
man.
us
That
out,
is so
man.
cool.
You know what I'm saying? I always have to get the program car. Every race I go to, I gotta get this thing right here. Every single race.
Starting about 10 times.
Cody's out on the track right now. Practice, getting the car dialed in for the race. We're up on top of the hauler. Rick's standing behind me. Getting this up close and personal. It doesn't get more insane than this. Best view in the house, baby. The Great American Race. We are here for the O'Reilly race. Carson's about to go out. This is the man. You guys don't know him, but he was on the Martinsville car with me as well, and now he's on Carson's O'Reilly car.
What's up, guys? I was so happy to partner with Rex on his car. It was one of the sickest cars in the entire Cup Series. Now we've got our car here at Daytona.
Yup.
We're gonna have a ton of fun.
Mason Maggio, one of the cars involved on the initial start. Things got jammed up to about 25th on back. Luigi Motorsports entry.
Williams down pit road right now.
Now we're gonna figure out.
Signing a hat and throwing it back up. You got it! Throw it up! Oh! Oh, it's so close. The heck was this? Dude,
It only took like 7 tries.
I got that on video, bro. Oh my god. I'm with
What I
Mr.
learned was sombreros are not very aerodynamic.
This scheme right here is one of the coolest schemes I've ever seen.
Off turn number 4, they come back down to the line. Lap 41.
So we're in the hauler, race day, Daytona 500. This is probably the biggest race that NASCAR has. We're harnessing our aura.
It is. But it wouldn't be a NASCAR race weekend with Rex without him coming with some kind of bag of goodies.
You know, we started this in Charlotte and this whole Pokemon addiction that I have. So I have 2 cards. Nothing crazy. I can't allow them to come, you know, have me come experience these amazing races without bearing some sort of gift.
These 2.
So I have 2. He gets to choose which one, and then Carson gets the other one. So I got 2 vintage Pokemon slabs, and I'm gonna throw them up on the screen so you guys can see them. You might he has so many, so I don't know what he has. He might have both of them.
The crazy part is I do have both of these.
No!
but I have this in a lower grade.
Yes!
So I am gonna go with the Gengar because a lot of people that follow me know I love me some Gengar, and I always want them better. I think I have a 6 or a 7, so now I can upgrade.
Oh, nice.
Dude,
I was
that's
like,
awesome.
Dude, I was like, Cody last time we were hanging out for the Martinsville race, he was showing me all of his cards, so it's like, it's hard to buy slabs for somebody that has, so many, and he loves collecting.
Yeah, I'm a vintage addict. I love everything. Wizards of the Coast, the old school stuff. This is such one of my favorite Gengar cards.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. Dude. You think Carson's gonna like the?
Yeah, I've got him into collecting vintage, so I'm gonna say he's gonna dig that, especially the Gym Heroes, like the Team Rocket site there, like that's.
Yeah, I think it looks better than the original, honestly.
He's gonna love that.
So, new best finish, 19th, first time racing at Daytona.
Yep.
Had the whole squad here, Rex, the whole gang, family, everybody.
Yes,
so
sir.
That was special. I'm glad that we had a new personal best finish on our anniversary. So yeah, no, it was great, man. It was exciting. I hate that we got that damage at the beginning of the race, but we still finished super strong. Really good points day for our team, and we got the whole squad here, so it's a W.
I got you a gift that I gave Cody his. You guys say 8 vintage Team Rockets Scyther.
Yo, let's go!
Yo, I have to come bearing gifts every time. They allow me to have this experience. And
This is my first one too. This is sick.
The Carson Ware.
Daytona 500, baby. It doesn't get more American than this. Let's go.
Dude, look, it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be hairy. Cody's gonna get it done, but it's war out there. Anything can happen. Congratulate him on making it through that madness. I'm proud of him. I got to meet Ken Roxon earlier. That was kind of cool.